You need to be taking action today. Don't wait for the perfect time to start, because the truth is that perfect time, it doesn't exist. If you're word like me, you're stuck in analysis paralysis, scouring the internet, asking yourself, what CRM should I use? What list should I pull? Who should I use for my website? How do I find a buyer? The perfect scenario to start isn't out there. So let me be real. Those are just excuses, and excuses that are keeping you from actually getting started. Stop. You don't need any of that to begin to start your wholesaling journey. What you do need to be doing is talk to sellers. CRMs, lists, websites, none of that matters if you're not having real conversations with property owners. That is the lifeblood of your business. Talking to sellers, locking up contracts, and that starts with taking the action. So where can you begin? Number one, for sale by owners. These are owners that want to sell on their own. They're free leads, and you can go online right now and find them on Zillow or Redfin. Start in your own backyard. You don't have to go nationwide. Use keywords like as is or needs work to filter out distressed property owners. These are owners that are already raising their hand saying that I want to sell, and they're free. Number two, you can join a team. I've said this before, I'll say it again. I believe that it's the best place to start for someone that is brand new, just starting out. You don't need any of your own money or anything like that. You'll get access to leads and resources, real training. Most teams, they're going to have a vested interest in your success. They want you and help you to get deals under contract and close them, and then you get to learn as you go along the way. Now, okay, you say, but what do I say to the seller? Okay, you know how to find them, but what do I say? So let's keep it simple. The best process that I've found is RJ Bates's closers formula. It's a 5-step formula that walks you through exactly how to talk to sellers. It's straightforward, it's easy to follow, and it helps you figure out the 3 things that you need to know. Does the seller want to sell? What price? And what's their motivation? So knowing all those 3 things, you're going to have good conversations with people. We're in the business of solving problems, and this formula helps you uncover those problems, get the information you need fast, and then you can continue to talk to sellers using your free lead from Zillow and Redfin for sale by owners. If that's where you want to start. And at least you'll have a process that you can use in order to talk to them. So how do you know what to offer? This is where most beginners freeze up. You think you need to be an expert at comping and estimating and renovation cost, and you do. It is important, but not at first. One of the big things that I've seen lately, Jerry Norton has a super simple process to estimate offer prices. It's not in-depth comping. It's not complicated renovation math. It's just a few easy steps that help give you a solid range to work with. This is by no means you're going to be a comping expert, but at least it gives you somewhere to start. And it lets you test the seller motivation. Use this to make your first offers without fear, and then you can learn and improve as you go. So you can find that online. It's a simple process that he's developed. I'll have a link to a video for him. It's not mine, but I use it. I think it's super simple, especially for beginners. And I'll have a link to a video for that. I can have a link in the description for a video to the closers formula for RJ, and also a link where you can go and get that closers formula to see it more in detail. The big thing about these is really just keeping the processes super simple, which these two guys do, and allow beginners to start and take action without fear. That's the big thing about this is you just got to take the action, learn along the way. So talking to the sellers is the most important skill in your wholesaling business. The more sellers you talk to, the more confident you're going to get, the better you're going to get at navigating the call, the more contracts you'll lock up and close. So take the action today. Don't worry about what's going to happen later. Just start talking to sellers now. Don't wait for the perfect time because it doesn't exist. The only thing standing in your way is you. So let's go, take the action, do it today.